Alright guys, heading out here for day 61. We got some sun shining today. 0 degrees down here in the valley, riding with Austin and Landon today. I don't know if you were watching yesterday when I said the lot was almost full at the time we were starting, but today we're starting a little bit later, and I feel like the parking lot's going to be pretty much full when we get there. We won't have anywhere to park. I think it should be a pretty good day today. It'll be sweet. We get some sun in that deep powder. Up in the lot here now, they actually are like turning people away. The lot is so full, which I don't think I've ever actually seen before. I mean, I'm sure it happens, but not for the days I'm here, and I'm here every day.
It'd be interesting to know how many sleds actually went up Boulder today. This guy. Figured you'd be up there already.
Trying to stall you.
Oh, I'm gonna make some big trenches. Audio testing, audio. La, la. Going through these moguls here with the big jerry can and the big tunnel bag on the back, I sure bottom out a lot. I need to turn my springs up to 5 just for the moguls and then put them back down when I get off the trail, but I'll just go slow instead. Quite the single track in today.
Well, I guess I forgot how deep it was out here.
Muskoka, man!
What's going on? Jerry can and Tom bag.
Really helps, eh?
Yeah. I mean, I'm just looking for excuses.
No, man. I got the same excuses on mine.
One hand?
Yeah, I probably could use one there already. Since your buddies are just laughing.
Maybe smash your hood once here?
Yeah, there's a sweet GoPro video of that. 1, 2, 3. You're missing a ski rubber too. Thanks, boy.
Oh! Whew. What a day. Got a little bit of sun shining. It was out better a couple minutes ago, but yeah, some deep snow, some sun. The boys.
That's a little bit of a pull.
146 track poaching all day. Really motoring.
Working it. Poaching.
Look behind you.
Austin, what are you doing?
Go show us some bow ties. It's not
on the old track.
It's not too deep for that. It is cold and windy up on the top here. Oh my god. There's so much snow pushing against me. Right there. It almost pulled me off the sled.
Kind of like me.
Yeah.
Hey, at least you did the same thing as me.
So we've got a 3 or 4 feet deep trench here. And then we've got this 3-meter probe. It's all the way in there. There's a little bit of snow back here. So there were a lot of people in here today. Just dumped the fuel in. Didn't even fill it up. Couldn't even see the fuel actually, so. I think we're gonna try and find somewhat of a jump. We've got some super flat light here. Cannot see like anything. Just these 2 old tracks here. This light has just been playing games with us all day long. Needs to come out. Probably won't get too much footage for you guys today other than GoPro. I'm just enjoying the POW and the Alpine here, just tearing it up. I think we've almost burned all our gas already. Pretty awesome out here today. I mean, every day is friggin' awesome out here. I love it. These guys are looking at just dropping off this little wind lip here. Maybe build a jump over this lip, land on the space. Feeling like the Jerry today. Again. Yeah, no. It is downhill here. I am stuck here.
Turbo Matt, what are you doing?
Just digging holes. Snow depth test. Landon's gonna make us a trench here so we can get out of here maybe a little easier. Just like that. See, it wasn't just me. One sec. That is so awesome. All right, well, here's my trench. I don't know if you can tell, but like, there's the downhill side, and I can't even reach uphill side. It's like 8 feet deep at least. Awesome, awesome, awesome. You know, all I was trying to do was saw it like that to warm up my lunch. All right, let's see how lunch is. Guessing all the cheese is going to be stuck to the lid as usual here. Come on. Oh, yeah. Some nice hot shepherd's pie. Whew. Almost too hot today. Now we wait for the sunlight so these guys could hit this.
Hopefully it's not too long. Get warmed up for the jump. Gone. Nice.
Aha! First stupid bow tie.
First bow tie of the day on a packed hill, since you can't do anything in the powder. Austin hit it once, was pretty good. I think he's gonna hit it again here now though. And then maybe Landon's gonna hit it. He's dusting his tracks out here, getting himself lined up. Said, okay, I'm gonna go as fast as I can now. Super flat light for jumping in, but boy's still gonna send it. The guys are looking at another jump up here now. Land right in here. Lots of landing for this one. We had the sun out a few minutes ago, but we'll go up there and check it out. It's funny, I enjoy building the jumps. I guess that's part of my excavation background. I've always wanted to build a dirt bike track. I mean, I kind of have, but not like a real one. We got all 3 sleds going around, just building the in run for the jump. Gotta take out a big hump. We got the sun poking out now. The guys are shoveling here. Look at this friggin' hole we got dug through this bank with the sleds. We moved a lot of snow. I think even Caleb would be proud.
Yeah. You know
Just stand beside that. Look how much you shoveled there.
Yeah. It's all in the shovel.
Hey, I helped.
Little pinky guy.
Hopefully this is a good jump. What are you even jumping to over here? Like, is there anything there?
Yeah, well, we probably should have looked at it better.
I think it's like flat, no?
Yeah. It might be flat if we go too far.
Look at that backdrop. Talk about a smooth jump.
That's worth the work. Oh, that's nice. It goes so much bigger too.
Oh yeah, go tell.
Tons of room for him.
Go tell him to hit it.
Oh, that's a killer jump.
These guys are so stoked on this jump.
Oh man, I bet we could go to the bottom. That's like butter. That is so butter.
Kind of screwed up that last shot there. It was a little jerky.
How's that one?
I wasn't sure if you were going in the trees or what.
No,
No,
It looked close.
It.
It looked close from here.
I wanted to kiss it. That was wicked.
Landon's coming to look at hitting it once more.
All right, to the bottom.
Yeah, I'm on it.
Oh, not quite.
Nice work.
Oh man, I kind of want to do one more.
Look at all those bomb holes.
That was a lot of fun.
That was a lot of fun. Oh yeah. I mean, it was fun watching, and I'll be honest, I had fun building it.
Nice job, buddy. You don't have to film, but I'm gonna do one more and try to go sideways and go smaller.
Style. Man, that one was sick. I missed it.
Well, I'm gonna end off on that one.
Come on, I kind of missed that one. That was sick. Oh, my hands are getting pretty cold. I just hear him giggling to himself under his helmet.
All right, I'm gonna end off with that.
Without like with this in-run going down, we couldn't have gone any. I was trying to go as fast as I could, but I was hitting the face so hard that it was almost like robbing speed.
All right, let's get the hell out of here. It's getting cold. I just think I realized that my GoPro has been on the wrong setting all day long, so you guys probably are gonna have some shitty GoPro quality. Oh, the power is so awesome in this side. Oh my god. I almost forgot how deep it was over here in the trees. You know, this was a lot smoother with the fresh snow on here this morning. Good double section there.
Alright guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Another awesome day out there as usual. I mean, you can't really have a bad day when you're out here. Tomorrow is Average Austin's last day, and I've got to say he really stepped it up this year, sending it big, and he's getting pretty good in the trees. I mean, he still hits the odd one, but that's alright. His main focus was on jumping this year, and that's what he enjoys to do, and there's nothing wrong with that. It's not really my thing, but I'm always there to film it, and I'll help put in the work to build the jump. For some reason I like to do that. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.